Okay, your change, 150. Okay, have a seat, later we'll serve you.
Sure. This table.
Don't forget the fork and spoon.
再照点呗。
Well, these are all my collectible things that I keep very calm and very tight and neat. Yep. It is all right. It doesn't really not like to walk around. Number 60 and also 63M, number 93 and 94, and lastly 150, and there it is.
Is the chicken okay with it? Okay.
This side, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All 30 for side row 4 is in the table.
We are looking into him working in the cafe, but because Nasir, he doesn't make eye contact with people. But we are working towards for him to be able to do kitchen work, like washing dishes or preparing the food, because he actually enjoys doing that. As job coaches, we make sure that whenever they do work, we are right beside them. And then whenever it's not proper done, then we will tell them, oh, this needs to be done again. So for each and every one of them, we have KPIs, and we will show them whether it's achieved or not.
Hold this bowl. Okay, now you transfer over to this. Okay, good job, Nasir.
And there you have it. But there's more.
Ashraf, come. Ashraf. Can? You want me to do it for you? Okay. Right? Okay. Do you need one more? No. Yes? No. Do you need one more glove? Do you want some more for your left hand?
Actually, I just need to.
You need two. Okay. All right. One more. All right. Okay.
One thing about Ashraf, because he has delayed processing, he has to be prompted and guided closely what to do. And it could be days or weeks before he even able to grasp that particular task that he's supposed to do.
Come, Ashraf. Carry. Help Ain to carry and yes. Thank you, Ashraf.
What do you do? Do you remember? First thing you did in the morning just now, what do you do? He takes time to process, kan? What did you do?
I make the sandwich, yeah?
You make the sandwich, is it? Ah, okay.
What do you do next?
So number one, make sandwich. Number two, after sandwich, what did you do? Yes.
Actually, just the first one, I just put the curry puff inside the thing, then I did actually make the sandwich like that.
Okay, never mind. So we skip the curry puff. So he remember back. You see, he did the curry puff first, then the sandwich. Okay, never mind. So now after the sandwich, what do you do?
After making sandwich, I just put the sandwich inside the boxes.
Okay. We need to take half scoop. All right. Put inside here. Okay. Little bit more. Some more. Some more. Until the next line. Stop until the next line. Yes. You pour this back here. Careful, it's very hot. Careful. Yes, slowly, Okay, finished? Okay, then pour this back here. Careful. It's very hot. Be careful, your hand. Careful. Yes. Okay. It's okay. Pour it back. It's okay.
Have you ever lost your temper with
Frankly speaking, yes, I ever. But, you know, we are normal human beings, right? So I try, but it just happened. No, okay, good job. Okay. You can stop if you are done. If you are finished, you can stop. Alright, and 1 chicken mayo.
Okay.
Global developmental delay is a diagnosis that is given to a child, generally less than 5 years old, who presents with developmental delays that are significant in more than one areas. So generally these developmental delays could be in language, motor skills, be it fine motor or gross motor skills, social deficits, as well as cognitive impairments.
Okay, Ain, later you help me to do the sandwiches.
Right.
Pack them in a box.
Right.
Same goes with this.
Right.
Curry puff, potato, and this
Yeah.
one is sardine.
Okay.
3 each.
Repetition is important in training. It will enhance the skill and also make them learn the skills to be able to cope and do to their best ability.
Theo, can you help me? Can you help me?
Where is the other chicken? Terbalik then. Put the chicken terbalik.
Can you help me? Help me.
Okay. Just leave the chicken.
Help me. Ah, okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you.
Bye. This is the right?
Is it very hot?
Yeah. Oh, hot.
Oh,
再照点人。
thank you.
Ain, she is better at the cafe because she has great initiative. She knows what to do. She likes to work in a cafe setting. So she likes the challenge working with a neurotypical person, and she take that as an everyday motivation.
Sorry, Dedek. That's okay. Thank you. Welcome.
Hi. Afternoon. Welcome to Ashraf Cafe. So Ashraf, what would you recommend to the customers?
People with autism spectrum disorders, they really prefer routine. They need to know what's predictable, and if something unpredictable comes out, it throws them off. They get very stressed, very anxious, and sometimes this can be overwhelming for them.
So which one is nice? You tell the customer which one is nice. So that will be $19. Thank you very much. Okay, have a seat. Later we will serve to you. Yes, Ayang?
I just give them the food.
You want to serve the food? Okay, sure.
I believe he can, because with proper guidance, with a lot of prompt, a lot of visual support, he can do that. It's a matter of time, slowly but surely. This is what I always believe.
Don't forget the fork and spoon, serviette for that customer.
Hey, thank you. Sit here first. Thank you. Oh, nice.
The most difficult part was when customers asked them questions and they were not able to answer. And their answer came out as very literal, and customers, of course, not knowing that they have special needs, they were not able to accept those answers. Saying that I paid 10% service charge. I do not care what is your passion for community and what or who you want to employ. That's not my business. Because I paid 10% service charge, I expect service.
They are not good. They are not so good.
That incident, Nasir was on duty. When Nasir served him the drinks and the food, I think, he was angry. Then he scolded the boy, and the boy melted down and he cried and he kept on asking, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? And Madam Farah had to coax him and tell him that, no, you've done nothing wrong, it's not your fault. Then it takes sometimes for him to cool down.
How long do they have to depend on their parents? Because some of the parents, like myself, we are growing older each day. So if they don't have a job, they're not able to be integrated in the community, so what else can they do?
I save up my salary to buy this speaker. I save up my salary to buy this bag.
What you want to buy here?
Studio, the earbud. Because I like to listen music. This one is new one.
So you want to upgrade?
Yeah.
Sometimes for them, they only see what is in front of them. They don't think of their future. They don't see the consequences of not having saving or why they cannot spend the money. So it's always about reasoning it out with them why they need to save the money, because they'll be like, why? This is my money,
So from here, legs out wide. Yes. So right hand up. Good, there you go. Down. The other side, the other hand. Yes. Up. 5 already. Yes, see, wow. Faster than me. Let's go. So Ashraf, we're going to start over here until this way. Until here only. Okay, so we're going to do this together. Ashraf, lift up. Bring yourself forward. Yes. Then jump in. Yes, good. Up, forward, and jump in. There you go, good. 5. Easy, right? Can? Okay, now we're gonna go back same way. How do you feel? You feel tired? You okay? If you need rest, you let me know. We'll rest for about 45 seconds, then we go again. Can, Ashraf? In through your nose, out through your mouth. Inhale, exhale out. You don't want? You want drink water? You drink water first. He didn't show much sign of whether he was tired. Until the last part of the exercise, that's where I know that I pushed him a bit too much.
Ashraf is a private person. He easily gets anxious. Example, places that are unfamiliar, people that he's unfamiliar with. For me and my husband, we don't want to keep him at home because the more we keep him at home, we are not doing good to him. So for us, we rather expose him. So when he's there, he need to learn how to manage that situation. So as parents, we need to be able to help the child how to cope rather than we hide him or we just ignore his emotions. We need to acknowledge his condition.
Okay, now we're gonna run there, okay? So we run together, can? Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go run. Let's go, Ashraf, run with me. Good. Now we go back red. We go back red. Where's red? Go, come, run with me. And then touch. Yes, good job. Relax. Good job. We've done well. Give me 10 again.
How I look at the entire life is different. When I see people with special needs, right, it gives me a different perspective. Like, even they don't want to be born in this world. We are thankful we have everything. We're able to think right. We're able to make the right decision. But for them, they need us. They need our help.
I want to buy crayon.
Now say thank you, right?
Thank you, Jihao.
Jahao say what?
Thank you.
Thank you only. Okay?
Makan.
No.